Going to breed.
There it is.
We're clock bros. Fist my bum. No, it's the... How do you look when you eat? Oh my god.
That all the crops will die, the economy will free fall, and half the earth will die of starvation.
Well,
We're all gonna die! Yeah, it's true.
right now, the best minds in the entire world are on it.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Not good at jokes.
Not good at jokes, who? Am I expendable? Is that why you want me?
That's not the only reason.
It's almost like you don't care if I die. Hold on, you have to talk about it? It's gonna take a long time. It took like 200 years to figure out how bacteria work, so...
Please do it faster.
Wow! You're not gonna believe this. Nothing happened. It's a cell.
It's a cell. Wake up! It's a cell!
First contact with life outside of the... Uh-oh. Oh, it died.
Go ahead and close it over. I can hear you. Uh-oh. What?
This is the Force.
What?
We're fathers, Carl.
What?
Carl and I made a baby. It's been a long time since I've taken a pill from a stranger without knowing what it was.
Thank you so much. Water for
Or
him.
coffee, that's...
I need both.
Or not.
Okay, so this is... Everyone, this is Dr. Ryland Grace from the United States. Please go here. Thank you.
Carl and I made a mini Venus out of a plywood box, and as soon as the samples recognized the spectral signature of CO2, they were like, whoop, there it is.
Okay.
Whoop, there it
You can
is.
sit down.
They're going to breed.
There it is.
I really like them. Tau setting.
Tau Ceti, that's right, 11.9 light years away. It is uninfected despite being well within the cluster of infected stars.
Why?
Why? Tell him.
Clip A detected.
Ah! No. It's, Lefty tighty righty loosey. I mean... Oh no!
Foreign presence detected.
Boom, 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 boom. This is fun. You're pointing. Take my helmet off. No. Fortunately, I need oxygen to breathe, so. 2 rings of 8. Oh, 2. This is oxygen. So don't do it. Don't do it. Hold it like that, and you look. Wow. Wow. What is that? Is that good? Jazz hands means good. Is our thumbs up? Nope. That's thumbs down. We do the thumbs up. It's close enough. I showed you a clock and you're showing me a clock. We're, clock bros. Rocky. You done? Is Grace. What's your word for my name? Go ahead. I don't mind it. He's kind of growing on me. At least not growing in me, you know, which was a concern for a little while. His son is dying too. Now it's only me. Correction. Call it fist bump, by the way. Fist my bump? No, it's fist bump.
Why is a school teacher in space?
She can do anything. Sleep? Just go like this.
Die? No.
Not die. Just lay here for. That's where you're gonna be?
No, it's usually closer.
Right now I'm seeing the underside of you.
Hi, Grace.
You're in a ball.
So Rocky, no die, and Grace atmosphere. I come up.
Oh, you're moving up.
Forest police detected.
Dirty. Why room so messy?
Well, I wasn't expecting company, was I?
This room for garbage?
Oh, no, this
Dirty.
is the lab. Individual parts of that mission.
Mission.
Separately. Okay.
Where's my bedroom?
Bedroom! What? So I have a new roommate now. He tells me what to do, he tells me why to do it, he tells me how to do it, he tells me when to do it. And then when I do it, he's like, what are you doing? I'm just saying, you're gonna get out of the ball to get into a much bigger ball? His eating habits are exotic.
Grace looks disgust when eat.
How do you look when you eat?
It looks...
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Who is Grace talking to? Question.
There's no way you can hear me right now.
Can't hear. Who are you talking to?
You can hear this.
Yes, Grace say you can hear this.
I need a break.
Break from what?
Oh my god, forget it. This isn't gonna work. I say either, you say.
Either.
No. I say neither, you say.
Me either.
No. It's beautiful. You have a mate. How long you been together?
186.3 years.
Like the honeymoon phase.
No understand.
What's your mate's name again?
Name is...
It's okay, I remember.
Grace.
Yeah.
You are... Need word.
What word do you need?
To risk self to help another.
Dumb.
Grace. I can give. I go home 6 years slower. Rocky watch crew die. Could not fix. Grace say Grace will die. Rocky fix. Grace go home.
Okay.
I thought you made peace. Question?
I didn't mean any of that. I'm not an astronaut. I put the not in astronaut. I've never done anything. I've never done a space. I can't even moonwalk. I haven't done the pool thing. No. Wait, I get sick on the elevator.
Oh, perfect. There's no elevator.
I cannot do this.
You're smart. You'll figure it out.
We can go home.
Fist my bump.
No. Still not right. I'll do it.
You are bravest human I have ever met.
Hey,
Is joke.
I know.
I only meet one human, and is you.
I get it. It's a good joke.
Good joke.
Everyone take their seats.
Who can tell me the speed of light?